Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are tasked to list down as many pairs of prime numbers whose sum is an odd number. And in order to achieve that, we do need to go back to this particular idea that as I list down the first 10 prime number, that starts from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and so on and so forth. Because it's never ending, I realized one important thing. 2 is actually the only even prime number. And therefore, in order to create a sum with a pair of prime number that is an odd number, all we have to do, we make sure that 2 is inside there. Example, 2 and 3, they will give me 5. 2 and 5, they will give me 7. 2 and 7, that will give me 9. So as you can see, we can list out as many as possible as long as 2 is one of the prime number in the pair. Okay? And as you can see, this is a never-ending set of solution. So I shall stop here, alright? Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.